There is a common question regarding wealthy affiliate that goes like, is wealthy affiliate a scam? Well, first of all, let me tell you that I am a skeptic. And with that mindset, back in 2017, I began looking for an online platform that could teach me how to create a website. It took me about a year, but in 2017, I believed I found it. Throughout that year, though, I stumbled upon numerous programs and so-called online training courses that claimed making money online was easy if I purchased their formula and applied, but it led nowhere. But at least I developed a better BS meter to distinguish between the misleading platforms and the legitimate opportunities. And there are tons of such misleading and scammy programs out there. So I understand the common skepticism around online educational platforms. In this video, I share my opinion about wealthy affiliate and explore whether it is scammy or a legitimate opportunity. First of all, what is an online scam? In my experience, an outright scam is a platform that asks you for money but doesn't deliver as promised. And in many cases, it disappears within a year, meaning their platform is no longer available. Another form of online scam is a platform that it says that for a reasonable price, you can get a formula that if you apply, you can make a fortune within a few weeks with a little work. Once you pay for it, then you ask to get an upgrade and to pay even more. What happens is that if you're not careful, you end up paying hundreds and in some cases even thousands of dollars. And the worst part is that for that money, you won't get any education that you might apply. So watch out for such a so-called educational platforms or on online trainings. And there are many of them available on a platform called Warrior Plus. So let me sum up the characteristic of such a scam. The platform overpromise and underdeliver. They use misleading information, especially before you pay, and the price is pretty excessive for a little to no value. And at the end, there's no way you can get in touch with them, so you won't get your money back. So let's check these characteristics against the wealthy affiliate. How about the overpromising and underdelivering? In the wealthy affiliate training, they don't claim that you can make 4 figures within a few months. In fact, inside of the training, the founders and even other members that are successful say that to make money online, it is a marathon and not a sprint. Meaning that you have to, first of all, learn, apply the knowledge, and then you can earn. In many cases, it's about building your own brand, and that takes time, something from 5-6 months to, in some cases, over the year. But that's just the nature of any other business, whether you want to do something online or offline. I've covered that within the training, no one claims that you can make thousands of bucks a day within a few days, right? And when it comes to undelivering, I want to mention something about that training, what the students can learn. First of all, the training is quite extensive. Once you are inside of the platform, you will see that they have a step-by-step training divided into different phases where you can learn from scratch how to choose your niche, how to build a website, how to register the domain, that you have to create also a privacy policy page, how to leverage the AI, and many other stuff that the students can learn. On top of the regular training, you get an access to different classes, expert classes that cover different topics about the YouTube, about the niche research, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, YouTube, and many others. On top of the core training, the WA member has access to a weekly webinars, and there are, as of today, June 2024, there are almost 700 classes, and many of these classes are clustered in one topic. For example, just recently in May and June 2024, there were like 5 classes about YouTube Shorts, the basic of the YouTube Shorts, how to create YouTube Shorts in Canva. You might be familiar with Canva. It's a great tool that offers a lot of features for free, and the training about the YouTube Shorts also covered how to read the Shorts analytics and how to create a faceless YouTube Shorts channel. By now I think we cannot talk about underdelivering. Now let me also show you some of the testimonials. For example, Paul is a guy who built up his website and sold it for 17,000. He wrote a short blog about that. Another testimonial here is how to make money with blogging. It says proof from average Joe, right? He became an Amazon affiliate and made a commission just using his blog. And for example, here is a guy who made over $1,000 in just 1 week. There are other blog posts, for example, motivating posts from wealthy affiliate members or other success stories that are available also here. So as you see, this is also, besides the educational part of the platform, it is also a social media where you can also chat with the other members over here. Here the chat is quite active depending on where you are, but since there are like thousands of active members all over the world, there are always someone available. Let me also mention something about the price. When talking about the price for different online courses, and I mean the legit ones, the price is usually about $1,000. Whether it's a one-time payment for 6 weeks training or it's a price per year, usually it's about $1,000. For example, this is a Super Affiliate System Pro that teaches how to drive paid traffic to your offers, and the price is $997. When we take a look at the Authority Hacker, that's also a very good course. The price is $330 per month. For example, the other course, Affiliate Lab, it costs $997. So we're about $1,000. When comparing with the Wealthy Affiliate, we see that it's very comparable. Maybe even Wealthy Affiliate, maybe even cheaper. If you decide to pay a yearly, the price for a Premium Plus membership costs, say 59 times 12, we're about $700 for a Premium Plus, where you get 2 free .com domains, daily expert classes, access to a keyword research tool, unlimited help and support, 24/7 website support. If you decide to go for the cheaper option, Premium, you will end up paying only 42 times 12, $500. Let me also remind you that the price of a Wealthy Affiliate hasn't changed for at least last 5 to 6 years. As far as I remember, the price remains the same. So does this sound like a scam? I did try the Wealthy Affiliate for free. I tried their starter membership. So it is possible to access the Wealthy Affiliate platform for free just using your email, and you have access to 8 classes. You can keep the starter membership for free for, I would say, at least 6 months. So even for a skeptic as I am, I can say that Wealthy Affiliate is not a scam. If you have some specific question about the platform, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to provide you with the feedback. So that's it for now. See you in the next video. Have a good one and bye-bye.